Whoever invented this house building method is a true genius. Imagine constructing a house without a single brick and with a few manpower, all completed within just 3 hours. This magical construction technology is none other than 3D printed houses, which have revolutionized the traditional way of building homes. In this innovative process, simply upload the house blueprints to a computer. The printer head then extrudes a specially formulated mortar, neatly laying it down line by line. This method covers the structure back and forth, stacking layer upon layer to construct the entire building swiftly. In just one day, it's possible to produce up to 10 structures, each spanning about 200 square meters. This technique significantly cuts down on labor and material costs. Despite the rapid construction speed, the quality of these houses is anything but compromised. They offer excellent insulation, noise reduction, and most importantly, they are sturdier and more durable than traditional structures. These homes can even withstand a 9.0 magnitude earthquake. Currently, the cost of constructing such a house ranges from $500 to $700 per square meter. So would you opt for a 3D printed house like this?